guys, welcome back to my channel. So a few days back I made a video in which I shared how you can copy your favorite dress or silhouette. So this video is an extension to that. If you enjoy what you see, please subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's start. So the very first step is to finish raw edges of bias strip. Just fold it in and make a straight stitch. Next, you have to keep finished bias strip right side fabric facing each other. Secure it with a ball pin and then give a straight stitch at 1.5 inch. Then give slashes to help fabric turn easily and put a top stitch as shown. And this is how it will look. Then turn the fabric inside and give final stitch. This method of finishing raw edges is known as bias binding. It is one of the easiest methods to enclose the raw edges of neckline, armhole or a hem. This is how it will look once done. Next, I am taking the front bodice and double folding it as shown and making a straight stitch. Doing the same thing on the other half as well. Now, measure the distance between buttons and mark it on the dress. So firstly, to make buttonholes, we need to change the pressure foot on the machine and start making buttonholes. Next, with the help of seam ripper, tear the fabric slowly and slightly. Be careful when you do this step. Once done, it will look like this. Next, I am finishing the back neckline by again following bias binding method. Apart from the neckline, there is a cutout in the back that also I will finish by the same method. The way we finished the front neckline with buttons and buttonholes, the same way we have to do it for the back neck as well. Then joining the front and back bodice from side seam at 1 inch. Make sure the right side fabric is facing each other. Then I'm measuring the length of strap to be attached. Now I'm taking around 1 inch wide fabric tape, sew them to make a long strip. Then attach it to the bodice as shown. You can attach it while finishing the raw edge. I just forgot to do, hence I'm doing it now. Then I took the bottom flare and make a casing to pass through elastic. Once it is done, fold it in half and mark the center of bow. Keep the fabric right side facing and stitch it. Next, just passing the 1/4 inch elastic through the casing. And this is how it will look. Secure the ends with a stitch. Then double fold the bottom hem and put a regular straight stitch. Next up, we have to stitch center back. So as shown, stitch it at 1 inch and finish the dress. this is the final look. You can check more pictures on my Instagram or on the Pinterest. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.